Today I'd like to talk to you about Securefast electronic lock sets. More commonly known as hotel locks, now they're used into a much greater market with office accommodation, schools, university accommodation. They're much popular as a way of securing the doors. The great advantage is there's no taking cables all the way through the building for a network. They can work within their own network. We have two versions, the OnDoor, where the electronics are on the door, and by placing your card you can retract the lock and enter. Or what's becoming more popular is the InDoor, which is where all the electronics are mortised into the door, and then when you operate it you use your handle to retract everything, but that handle can be any handle you choose of your own liking. You don't have to stick with the standard unit. All the units have a single action to retract, which is a requirement for rooms that have a single exit. Thank you for listening.